No. Or go and I have it because $1,000 for $500 for today and $500 for Friday when you're at school. So not for the week. That's why I have to bring back the 5 bills here. I remember don't buy no patty because you not eat it. And they care about the 5 bills and the 5 bills there for your lunch money for next week. I mean for Friday. Welcome to the vlog. So the weirdest thing happened to me this morning. Mo carried the boys into school this morning, and when I saw a lady with underboob sweat, and she was just walking normally. Now you guys know I sweat a lot, and I get a lot of crotch sweat and underboob sweat and armpit sweat, and everything I wear, everything, my underboob sweat. The only time I realize it doesn't happen is when I'm wearing a sports bra. Everybody in the sports bar is soaked, but it's not wetting up my clothes as badly. Is it when if I sit down, it can see like it seep through, but it's not drenched, and that really made me feel comfortable. Which brings me to this point. I know I've been talking a lot in my vlogs. It's because of where I am mentally. I have been just thinking a lot. A lot has been on my mind. So that's why the vlogs are how they are. And as I've said, I really don't want to vlog. I'm just doing this for my mental health. I'm doing this so that I stay focused. I remind myself to stay positive. And as I said in the last one, it's like a video diary, you know, because whether you recognize it or not, like what you put out there, it stays. And people think, you know, to put on it, it stays out there. Yeah, not for people to watch and judge or whatever, but we created it and we put it out there because at the time I felt comfortable. I don't think there should be like I should be penalized for feeling comfortable for choosing to be vulnerable. You know what I mean? So when I ask my questions, personal questions, I am offended even though I've put a lot of stuff out there. But now I understand that you just ask me because you just want to feel normal. Because to me, even though I share, I don't know, and that's why I share so much because it's not normal. I don't see anybody that sweats like me. And they say, well, man, I work hard, I walk. When I see it, I don't want to sit on them front with up and me alone, we see that too. I'm look. Man, I say, me look. So I see the woman, this man with that underboob sweat, I carried that to go to school and she was wearing a bra. I was like, wow, it felt normal. And now I'm thinking, I'm like, she must have been walking so far. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm saying this to say, babes, we have our own shit going through. You, me, us together. We get up every single day. That's the thing. That's what depression does. Depression removes that air of you can win, because when you're depressed and it does lead to death, then you can't win anymore. There is no light at the end of the tunnel. And because I've been dealing with so much for such a long time, I know it's like coming out. I want to see the light at the end of this tunnel, because I know the journey has been very effing dark and it's been very difficult. So I want to see the light. So for me, that push comes from wanting to see the light. I can't wait to get my fitness built so I can start working out again. Because no, it'll be for my mental health. It'll be because I have the bills. It'll be because I have everything. The brushes that are coming in, I can now start creating more content. Everything is geared towards just Simone. Just like when I started YouTube, I didn't start with the air of mental health awareness and stability, but more so of I see somebody do it and I can do that too. And that's all I needed, just someone to do it. And that's all most of us needs, for somebody to do it. And until I started doing YouTube years ago, doing makeup, there was no makeup artist here. It was not a profession before I started YouTube. It wasn't. So I know I have a very heavy hand in moving a nation, which is why my life is the way it is, which is why when I feel like I'm so strong, that's all I've had to be. All I've had to be is strong. I've always had to be the one to apologize. And let's say I'm stiff. Some more than likely when they have picked our stay, so don't them one they ever have to say sorry. Cause them hurt feelings. Even though it's whether or not it's the truth, you hurt my feelings. So I have to apologize for that. We all have our own vices that we're trying to survive, but we're surviving. You're watching this video in survival mode. Don't forget that. Every time you wake up, you're in survival mode, not by choice, but just because daddy knows you can survive. So he allows you to wake up. Can I say it like that? He allows you to wake up, because sometimes depression removes that magic and miracle of waking up. It's a miracle to wake up, and depression takes that away. Don't make it take it away.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food.
Love my ear, man. Look on me, that's film on Snapchat. I wanna go. Oh, follow me on Snapchat, Lyric Rochester. Follow me on Instagram, Lyric Rochester. And yeah, so yeah, my ear grow, but Jelly love my ear. Jelly love my hair texture. I recognize. So yeah, I have so much stuff planned for you guys. I don't want to pre-talk, because I've learned not to pre-talk, but big ass things, and it involves you guys, and just I want to say something. Gosh, I'm sorry all my vlogs are looking like this, like I'm just talking about. As I say, I just have a lot, you know, and I feel like I've given you guys like a variety of content. So in these moments where I just want like a video diary, like it's okay. But I want to talk about this mood of an influencer versus an entrepreneur. I kind of want to talk about it, but I kind of want to put my phone down, but I don't know how to do that. Okay. Being back on YouTube, I recognize that the culture is now sponsorship, and brands and brand trip, and not so much entrepreneurship. And let me tell you what's the difference for me between a vlogger, or sorry, between being an influencer and being an entrepreneur. The influencer doesn't buy the products, make the products, create the products, invest their own money in the products, pay customers for the products and packaging, and then worry about marketing and stuff. The company deals with that. The marketing that they have to worry about and all of that, that's just where you come in for the marketing to sell. Now for me, with Pomi coming back to YouTube, I already feel like there's going to be a shift. Because remember when you did it on YouTube and everybody started their business, no, that's what can have a Juve's place so love have so much, and some other companies don't love have so much. It came after me. Some of you are commenting just knowing me, and then I say, you may need to the brushes, you need to the this, you need to the this, you need to the with palettes. And I'm like, does she even know like who I am? When somebody will sit down and just wait for things in a me, a girl work, you know. And if you promise me feet, me I work, you know, me I work, you see me? So now that I'm doing this, I start to think, I'm like, oh my God, I am the company now. So now I'm thinking about ordering stock to give to YouTubers for promo. Like I am now that company. I am now the Amazons of the world. I am now the what's the popular one that they pay? Like I am now those companies who reach out and pay, say this company is sponsored by, yeah, and that's what they live by, and that's what they live off of, the sponsorship money from different companies. But when you're that company, you don't have that money to spread around like you're receiving it as an influencer. You are the company. You are putting up the money. I am the company. I am putting up the money. So even and that's why it's interesting, because marketing, no, it has changed greatly. And I said, no, you can't just use yourself. But yeah, I was doing this for years, bro. So, and it's just what I'm thinking about. There is a difference for me, to me. You're just an influencer. They send you products and you just say, hey guys, I got this, and you collect your money. Or if you love it, you continue using it. But either way, you collect your money. For me, if I say, boy, if me get the money, is it going to be worth it? Am I going to get sales? You know much companies in Jamaica, they've used me just to make the money. And I know I keep on saying use. That's because how I operate, I don't operate just off of money. I don't think that has been clear. I operate off of character. So if you're good to me art, then cool. That's why certain companies could have paid me dirt goddamn cheap and they knew it. because it wasn't about the money. I needed it. It wasn't about the money, but it was just because I thought I was dealing with the people. But I recognize that my personality is the type where because I've been lied to so much, I try to be really honest. So that you don't think I'm lying, because I often think that people are lying almost immediately. So it's not a struggle, but it takes effort to give people the benefit of the doubt based off of my experiences, not just one that has been made public, but many experiences that I have not made public that are more traumatizing. You see me? So because of that, I just realized that things are move different. And it kind of sad because there are a lot of YouTubers who started their own companies, and even them dropping out their own frigging traps. They are the more about influencer. And I just want, I'm sorry, maybe I'm talking from the point of being like the person, like the company, but like that's what I'm thinking about now. And then a part of me is like regret, like if I had just stuck with it, I would have been as big as Julia's Place. So yeah, again, a video diary moment.
Man, this might be something lethal, like a beast that can't be tamed. This the kind of rage you can't contain. Yeah, this might be something lethal. You can really see the flames, feeling like it's borderline insane. Man, this might be something lethal. Yeah, this might be something lethal.
You want me to stay with you? You want the cut to stay with you? You don't want the cut to go and leave you?
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything